Hello friends, today we have to see circle chapter from Maths Part 2 in the standard 10th. Here we have to see some subtitles. That means here subunit, arc of a circle, central angle and measurement of a arc and some examples. Here we have to see first for acknowledgement. Here each and every student must be know the circle definition, the concept related to circle, test for congruency, tangent definition, angle, arc, and secant definition and their properties. Here we have to know in this lecture, end of a lecture, we have to learning outcome from student is to understand arc of a circle, to understand theorem of arc of a circle, to study measurement of a arc, to solve example based on measurement of arc. Then we have to first see the arc of a circle. Here we have to see first definition. A secant divides a circle in two parts. Any one of these two parts and the common points of the circle and the secant constituent an arc of the circle. Here the points of intersection of circle and secant are called the endpoints of the arc. If the center of a circle is on side of the secant, then the arc on the side of the center is called major arc, and the arc which is on the other side of the center is called minor arc. In figure, arc AYB is a major arc and arc AXB is a minor arc. There is a C, that is the center of a circle, is on the side of a Y, or on the other hand of a secant AB, that is major arc. And in AXB there is a no center of a circle, therefore this AXB is called as a minor arc. If there is a no confusion, then the name of a minor arc is written using its endpoints only. For example, the arc AXB in figure is written as only arc AB. Here not three words are there, only two words are there written in a AB. Then we have to see central angle. Central angle we have to study in a 8th standard also. Here is the revision. When the vertex of an angle is the center of a circle, it is called central angle. In the figure, O is the center of circle and angle AOB is a central angle. Like secant, a central angle also divides a circle into two parts. That means major arc and minor arc. Here we have to another point, measure of an arc. To compare two arcs, we need to know their measures. Measure of an arc is defined as follows. First, measure of a minor arc is equal to the measure of its corresponding central angle. In figure, measure of a central angle AOB is theta. Therefore, measure of a minor arc APB is also theta. Second one, measure of a major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. In figure, measure of major arc AQB is equal to 360 degree minus measure of minor arc APB, that is equal to 360 degree minus theta. Third, measure of a semicircular arc, that is of a semicircle, is 180 degree. Fourth, measure of a complete circle is, we have to know that is how many, it is a 360 degree. Here we another point study, that means congruence of arc. What is meant by congruence of arc? In day-to-day life, we have to see when we eat the chapati bhakri, there is a, we have to, it is a take part in a quarter part, half part. That is means the arc are the same, by which then uh, there is the radii are equal. Therefore, the that curve is also, or arc is equal to same. Here we have to see when two coplanar figure coincide with each other, they are called congruent figures. We know that two angles of equal measure are congruent. Two arcs are congruent if their measures and radii are equal. Here in figure, arc DE and arc GF are congruent. Why? Their central angle is 70 degree and same circle, same radii, same measurement. Therefore, these arcs are equal to each other or congruent to each other, and therefore it is written as in the symbol arc DE congruent to arc GF. Here another point we have to study now, property of sum of measures of arcs. Here we have to play some game in a childhood time, that is uh, we have to taken some part of a bangdi and it is a collector in a circle, that is called as a arc. We have to complete it some circular figure of that some arc of a bangdi and it connected in a circular path, that some parts are called as a arc, and that are arc joined together, it is formed as a one circular path, that is we have to say bangle or bangdi. In figure, the points A, B, C, D, E are concyclic. With these points, many arcs are formed. There is a one and only one common point C to arc ABC and arc CDE. So, measures of arc ACE is the sum of measure of arc ABC and arc CDE. So, measure of arc AC is the sum of measures of arc of ABC and arc CDE. That is means measure arc ABC plus measure arc CDE is equal to measure arc ACE. But arc ABC and arc BCE have many points in common. So, M major arc RABE is not equal to major arc ABC plus major arc BCE. Here we have to see some examples in 8th standard also. There is a summation of a sum arc formed in a figure, that is equal to 360 degree, and some points here we have to see arc ACE is formed by major arc ABC and CDE. Here we have to study some theorem. That first theorem is the chords corresponding to congruent arcs of a circle are congruent. Here given is in a circle with center B, arc APC congruent arc DQE. To prove chord AC congruent chord DE. In this proof, we have to fill the blanks and complete the theorem. Here we have to see some filling the blanks, and this activity is come on your exam. So study it very carefully. In figure, we have to see two triangles are formed in triangle ABC and triangle DBE. Side AB congruent to side DB. Why? That means radii of a same circle. Another side BC and side BE are also radii of a same circle. This is the filling the blanks from your text. Then angle ABC congruent to angle DBE. It is a measure of congruent arc, because you have to given the arc are same, therefore central angle is same because of a definition of a central angle. Therefore triangle ABC congruent to triangle DBE, by which test? From first S, then S and A. That is means SAS test. These two triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore, we have to write chord AC congruent to chord DE by congruent side of a congruent triangle. We have to prove that this theorem. That is means chord AC congruent to chord DE. Here we have to see another theorem, that is corresponding arc of a congruent chord of a circle are congruent. Then we have to here given O is the center of a circle, chord PQ congruent chord RS. To prove arc PMQ congruent arc RNS. In figure we have to see the O is the center, PO, OQ, OR, OS are the radii of a circle, and PQ is also chord and RS is also chord. Then we have to prove the arc PMQ and arc RNS is the congruent. This activity is complete by student in a textbook by in the filling the blanks. So each and every student have to write this theorem by own. The in here we have to see proof in triangle OPQ and triangle ORS. Here segment OP congruent to segment OR by radii of a same circle. Another is the segment OQ congruent to segment OS. Why? Here also radii of the same circle, and chord PQ congruent to chord RS because it's a given. Therefore, triangle OPQ congruent to triangle ORS is congruent by which test? That is a side. That is means SSS test. These triangles are congruent to each other. Therefore, angle POQ congruent to angle ROS. Why? Congruent angles of congruent triangle. Arc PMQ congruent arc RNS. Why? Property of a central angle, because we have to prove that central angle POQ is equal to central angle ROS. Therefore, the arc formed by this central angle PMQ is congruent to arc RNS. You have to prove that. Then we have to see here also another point. Solve the example in the form. That is the first example. A, B, C are any points on the circle with center O. Here we see A, B, C are the points on a circle. O is the center. Then we have to solve, write the names of all arcs formed due to these points. This question is in the also see in a same first in a unit test. Second in a if major arc mark sorry M arc BC is equal to 110 degree and major arc AB is equal to 125 degree. Find measures of all remaining arcs. Here we have to write first names of arc that are arc AB, arc BC, arc AC, arc ABC, and arc ACB, arc BAC. Here we have to write two names of in the two letters names of arc or three letters of arc. Here second one major arc ABC is equal to major arc AB plus major arc BC, that is equal to 125 degree plus 110 degree is equal to 235 degree. Then M arc AC is equal to 360 degree minus M arc ACB is equal to 360 degree minus 235 degree is equal to 125 degree. Here my summation is not there. Here subtraction is there. 360 minus 235 is equal to 125. Similarly, M arc ACB is equal to 360 degree minus 125 degree. That is means 235 degree, and major arc BAC is equal to 360 degree minus 110 is equal to 250 degree. Here we have to see some arc is there and some arc value is there. We have to see the major arc, minor arc, and is there summation is there, some problems in the subtraction is there. We have to see the arc and value and just put out there and solve this example. Some examples are there. We have to see in the 3.3 also. Here we have to present unit test for you to solve and to understand on this point or concept in this lecture.